ultimately on their work pattern, all these things. So in that way, women are impacted in a big way. They can always share their things. They are also contributing by adopting this forest conservation work, then water conservation work, and also biodiversity conservation work. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, Arundi. Thank you, and thank you for actually like inspiring us with the entire approach of how you look at it, how you've empowered women. And I know that there is also Madhusmita Ji after this session who's going to come and speak to a lot of how she has been able to drive this action. Devji, just coming to you very quickly as well. I know that we're also on time. So she mentioned something very, very important, that she didn't look at it as a project. She didn't implement it as a project, and that's how I think a lot of us, when we start looking at interventions and we start looking at certain outputs, activities that we need to get out of from here, we lose sense of on ground, and how can we move from this narrative of looking at it from bite sizes to actually looking at it from an ecosystem level.
Thanks, Purnash. I'll try to answer it in brief. I have a long answer for this. I would say that it's important that I would like to use this metaphor, like how do we midwife this journey? And the kind of role that is required today is that we have to midwife this journey. Because at one end you see the community, at one end you see the civil society actor who is operating at the ground, on the ground. And on the other, there are network partners who are operating with innovations, ideas, solutions. So they're into.
Orissa is not India's best kept secret. You can never thank Orissa, everyone's favorite state.
Oh.
So, like Sabarmati Nanu was saying, that the women who are probably working at some hub or the farms, organic farming, they probably don't know that a lot of what they are doing is connected to climate change. Similarly, when reporters who are working on the ground, they are the ones who are connected with the community. When we are reporting about various problems, when they're saying the river is drying, or an unknown health issue is plaguing a village, it could be because of polluted water or something. They themselves don't know that this could be a byproduct of climate change. So I think a little bit of training, skilling of reporters is needed. Climate educated MLAs sitting in the Orissa Assembly, and the kind of dialogues they'll have, the kind of debates they'll have, and the kind of impact that will have on policy making. So I think Orissa is everyone's favorite state, is has such opportunity to become the leader when it comes to sustainable development model, because there is so much of development left to be done. And if we start thinking of doing it sustainably now, then I think it's going to be amazing. We can be leaders like Mr. Benjamin Soropun said, that there's so many things the West can learn from Asia. This could be, then the real change will happen. So we have to do it in the reverse way. The people, they should start putting pressure on their representatives that what are you doing for climate change? This is a climate panchayat.
You think very personal or place specific, because some you talk about your place.
See, as large as India, you can have 100 crore different geographies. Nothing stops that. It can be, so that's where projects get in the way, because they are decided somewhere else. They are decided in rooms that are like this and far away from that unit of one.
Emotions of communities, the role that they can play, understanding ecology, understanding economy, and how can that kind of come together. Devji, thanks for speaking to that. Thanks for actually speaking to the scale it can reach to, right? If you actually want to leverage that wisdom, leverage that knowledge, leverage that narrative, right? I think what is really inspiring Tanay and the work that you are doing is just the collective wisdom that is rooted in media, rooted in reporting, rooted in telling the right stories and the aspiration that you have in making sure that this leadership and it is coming through is actually mainstream and is something that for all of us here in the room to learn from. So thank you, right? Thank you for sharing all this. Okay, that's it.
I'm Amalin. Not a question, just to add to what Devjit, Journal and Sisodia have said already. I had an opportunity to translate these ideas into action in one state.
And the mementos to our panelists, please.
Sorry.
Sir, take सामने पूरा फोटो रखो. Ms. Tanya Patnaik, Editor Samvad and Connect News, Director Samvad Group Eastern Media Limited. And Mr. Samir Sisodia, CEO Rainwater Foundation. And to our moderator, Ms. Padmasha Banerjee, please. Thank you so much.
वर्क प्लेसेस वगैरह, तो उन इश्यूज को हमने पहले लिया और उनमें उनको ऑर्गेनाइज किया, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा शॉक गरीबी जो है ना, वो आपको मैं कल अपने बच्चे को कैसे भेजूंगी, खाना कैसे, घर में पैसा नहीं है तो खाना कैसे लाऊंगी, तो वो बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म सोचने के लिए आपको बहुत ज्यादा जगह नहीं देती है। तो उनको ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए उनके खुद के जो इश्यूज थे, वेदर वो वाटर थे, सैनिटेशन थे या मकान थे, वो मुद्दे मुझे नहीं है। उसके ऊपर फिर क्लाइमेट चेंज का लेंस कैसे किया जाए, तो उनके साथ उनको संगठित किया, उनके कलेक्टिव। तो जैसे मान लो कि आप जिस घर में रह रहे हो, फ्लडिंग कैसे कम हो या कीट अगर
की भी बात है। अभी हम वापस आते हैं मधुस्मिता, वो हमको एक महिलाओं की कहानी बता से गोटे कहते जो कामटा जो मैंने हाउसिंग उपरे घर डिजाइन परिवर्तन करके ठंडा रखा जोधपुर में बहुत गरम थी।
टीचर थी से पिला पढ़ाए, तो जिते गोटे कथा हो कि आम जो निजे किसी जानी ना तो अन्य को बुझे, प्रथम निजे जाने ही अन्य को बुझा सहज होता है। तो जो टीचरशिप थी कौन सी कारण टीचरशिप छाड़ा नेचर्स क्लब गाँव कम कला से कम्युनिटी डाकती आम घर भी एसएच मैंने जाती, तो बारंबार से आसी कहले कि गोटे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आसी आम गाँव को काम करुच्ची ना हूँ नेचर्स क्लब जी कि जलवायु परिवर्तन उपर काम करुच्ची। तो बारंबार कम्युनिटी आलोचना है कि जलवायु परिवर्तन कौन, जलवायु परिवर्तन आज ये सब असुविधा होची, जलवायु परिवर्तन वर्षा आम पाई पाना, बारंबार जलवायु परिवर्तन पर आलोचना है, बारंबार से विषय कथा है। तो मुझे चाहिए कि जलवायु परिवर्तन जी एत सब असुविधा सॉक्रेटिस फाउंडेशन सहित भेटा पर से गोटे विलेज आसेसमेंट सर्वे था लुणा जंगल 5टा गाँव को गली से मो निज गाँ तुलन से बहुत प्रकार एफजीडी कली केआई कली से पानी पीवा पानी असुविधा, जेहेतु पानी असुविधा से चाष भी हो पारुनी, चाष न होगा बेले झील मैंने बहु मैंने युवक मैंने भी बहुत प्रकार माइग्रेशन से गाँव में प्रायतः 80% रु 10% गाँव में 70% बाहर माइग्रेशन महिला मैंने कहले कि जब आम एवं पानी रखुच अध घंटे पर से पानी पी पार पानी बहुत समस्या गाँव में जेहेतु किसी विकल्प व्यवस्था ना माइग्रेशन होगा पड़े मत लगे कि हाँ से निज गाँव में भी से समस्या अच्छी अलग गाँव में भी से समस्या जदि मत से सुजोग मिली क्लाइमेट चेंज उपर किसी काम करने तो मुझे माध्यम कहीं ग्रामस्तरीय लोक तो समस्त मेंटालिटी समान किए गोटे कथा को अति खराब से सामूहिक भाव भेटिकी ए विषय आलोचना करा पड़ा, व्यक्तिगत भी भेटिकी सहित ए विषय आलोचना करा पड़ा। प्रथम क्वेश्चन आसला कि जदि हम सेटा करू हमको मिल गाँव लोक तरफ आसला कि जदि आम चाष करूँ अधिक सार देकी करूँ आमको भल अमल मिलूँ, आम बहुत वर्ष है करूँ आम भल अच्छी आम कहीं सेटा कर खत सार से समय गला पड़े खत सारे होते एवं से समय ना कि खत सार करके चाष कर क्षति हम निजे करी निजे बेड प्रिपरेशन करी विहन विश्वरोपण करी निजे भी विहन है बिलरे रही धाड़ी धाड़ी करके रही घरे पोक न लगे हांडी खत निजे प्रस्तुत कर तो बारंबार तार तो किसी सेमती उद्देश्य ना से चाहिए कि अलग कोड जाए एमती कर तो गाँ पिला जेहेतु आम पाख बारंबार आसूसी बाहर कि चेष्टा तो करवा एमती पाखे बारंबार निजे किसी कलापर से निजे देखला कि हाँ जो निजे कर
Teacher Baba, Director Maya Officer, and to our platform for the beautiful moderation. Thank you all so much. For a group photo, please.
Lot of copper pot flowers in Odisha, and I was sure that there's going to be a lesser rain. And there are a lot of copper pot flowers across India, and that's why it's raining heavily in other parts of the country. So when we come to the conclusion, I would like to first start with Dr. Endani, who didn't only spoke about the impact which we are going to say, but we all are in the commercial world, we all are corporates, and it's going to